temperature, for the routes to be used, and then they will plan it using the company procedures. So for instance, with this ones we have Addis to London Heathrow. This is the planning that we have for the fuel. We planned it with 47,200 out of Addis. So we are expecting to use 40 tons all the way to Heathrow.
Welcome on board Ethiopian Airlines. This is our new fleet, the Airbus A350-900. This will give you a general visualization of our route from Addis Ababa to London Heathrow. Currently our company has purchased 24 A350-900s, and we currently have received 5 of them, and this particular model can accommodate 343 passengers. Let me give you a short introduction about the cockpit. So here we have the overhead panel, which is designed in a way that both pilots can reach each switch from their seats, and this is the glare shield. This is the main instrument panel. We have 6 identical and interchangeable LCD screens, and this is the pedestal. We have the side stick on both sides, which is the main flight control units, and we have the steering hand wheel on both sides. This is only operational on ground. This is used to steer the airplane on the ground.
Normally we have this with the ATC before, but now we have it on the aircraft so we can monitor traffics around us. Now you can see these traffics. These are the traffics around us. You can have their call sign, their bearing, distance, relative altitude, and even you can pick a single aircraft and see what type of aircraft it is, like the bearing, the track, the range, the ground speed, relative altitude, actual altitude. For instance, let's say now we're cruising at 400 and we'd like to climb to 420. So it will check for the traffic around you, and it will tell you that if it's available or not, if the traffic is affecting you or not. So for landing, we're expecting a 27 lift. Landing 27 lift, we expect to vacate lift November 6. So we have already planned for auto brakes. That's called BTV here.
Yeah.
To vacate November 6, what we did is, this is the BTV function of the A350. You can set the brakes for the exit that you like to have. Here we have the dry limit. So this is what the aircraft tells you based on the weight. You can stop by this point. So if you have to choose the exit point, it has to be after this point, after the dry limit point. So in our case, we chose November 6. So that's why we are having it in blue while we have this one in yellow. So it's already selected. So November 6 will be the planned exit point for us. Auto brake is set, and you have the BTV blue here, indicating that the system is armed for the November 6 exit. I hope you've enjoyed the flight with us from Addis to Heathrow. It was a day flight. Please fly Ethiopian. We'd love to see you again. Thank you. Thank you so much.